Soft morning light glides over this small Mediterranean home. White stucco keeps the mood clean and calm. Terracotta tiles hold warmth like a memory that won't fade. A small Mediterranean house that doesn't shout, just stays. Quiet on the outside opens into a calm, modern farmhouse soul inside. White walls and warm timber beams keep everything grounded and honest. Soft linen curtains breathe with the daylight, and the room feels slower in the best way. Hamptons style lives in the quiet details here. White walls, warm timber, and that calm coastal light. Blue and white touches drift through the space like a sea breeze that never rushes. Vintage eclectic lives in the little contradictions. Old brass beside soft plaster. Patchwork warmth against crisp morning light. Dark wood frames the windows like quiet punctuation, letting the garden feel close enough to hear. In this Safari Lodge interior, the air feels slower, like the house is listening to the trees outside. Dark timber frames the light, and woven textures gather warmth the way a campfire gathers stories. Leather, linen, and sun-baked tones sit comfortably together, worn in rather than perfect.